Hi guys, in this video I will show you on how to install IIS in Windows 10. So IIS is one of the important things to install if you are planning to study or to start up in web development, especially if you're going to use a Windows application using Visual Studio. Okay, so now I will just use my VirtualBox, which is currently running in Windows 10. So we need to under run, we need to type up wiz.cpl. Okay, then let's wait to load up, and then we need to click this turn on Windows features. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, now here we need to select Internet Information Service, or IIS for short, and then we need to go under Web Management Tools, and then let's click IIS Management Console. Okay, so let's just expand everything, so let's maximize so that you can see more. And then also under World Wide Web applications, so we need also to enable .NET Extensibility 3.5 and then 4.6, and then ASP.NET 3.5 and then 4.6. And then let's look at the common HTTP pictures. Okay, so let's just enable default document, Docker browsing, HTTP errors, static content, and then let's expand health and diagnostic. Let's also enable HTTP logging, and then static content compression under performance and features, and then under security request filtering, so by default it is enabled. So after we select all of these important things, so let's just look it up again and let's check if we missed something. Okay, ASP.NET 3.5 and ASP.NET 4.6 is important so that you can run ASP.NET applications on your IIS. Okay, so once done, let's just click OK, and then it will start the installation process, or it will also apply the changes that we selected. Okay, so the installation is done, so let's just click close. Okay, to check if our installation is successful, we just need to open our Explorer. So right now I'm going to use Edge, and then let's just type localhost. Okay, so right now you can see that Internet Information Service is running. Okay, okay, and to run our IIS manager, so just click here, run or search inet mgr, and then we need to click here IIS manager, from where we can set up our applications or new website that we are going to deploy on our local machine. Okay, so hopefully you learned something here, and thank you very much for watching.